If you need to remove a payment method from your Klarna account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Klarna account. Visit the Klarna website or open the Klarna app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account from which you want to remove the payment method. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once logged in, look for the section labeled Payment Methods or Settings. This is usually found in your account profile or dashboard. Step 3. Select the payment method. In the Payment Methods section, you will see a list of all the payment options linked to your account. Identify the payment method you wish to remove and select it. Step 4. Remove the payment method. After selecting the payment method, look for an option that says Remove, Delete, or Edit. Click on this option to initiate the removal process. Step 5. Confirm the removal. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to remove the payment method. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the removal. Once confirmed, the payment method will no longer be associated with your Klarna account. By following these steps, you can easily manage and update your payment methods in Klarna. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Klarna's customer support for assistance.